A game-changing update to the US H-1B visa program is in work starting February 2026. The familiar random lottery system is out, replaced by a wage-based system that prioritizes higher-paid jobs, potentially reshaping dreams for thousands of Indian professionals eyeing opportunities in America. So, what is this new rule all about? Imagine the H-1B lottery as a fair draw where everyone had an equal shot. Now it's weighed like a scale, tipping heavily towards the highest salaries. The US Department of Homeland Security, or DHS, rolls out this weighed selection process effective February 27, 2026 for FY27 cap season kicking off in March. Employers register candidates, but instead of pure chance entries, get multiple tickets based on the job's wage level from the Department of Labor's 4-tier system. Level 1 is for entry level, level 2 is for experienced, level 3 is for fully competent pros, and level 4 is for experts or seniors. A level 4 petition enters 4 times, level 3 3 times, level 2 twice, and poor level 1 just once, making seniors get more chances to win visas from the fixed 85,000 annual cap. Now let's break down those tiers with real numbers from FY24 data. Level 1 averages around $85,000 a year for fresh entrants with basic skills. Level 2 hits $103,000 for those with some experience. Level 3 climbs to $131,000 for pros handling complex tasks, and level 4 tops $162,500 for top experts. These prevailing wages vary by job code, location, and demands like supervision. So, a software developer in Silicon Valley at entry level might scrape by lower elsewhere, but the system locks in that hierarchy. DHS designed this to favor higher skilled, higher paid roles, arguing that it would protect US workers from low wage competition while curbing lottery abuses. So, what will be the economic impact of this? This just isn't about selection odds, it's also about a wallet shift for everyone involved. Under the old random system, total annual H-1B salaries for cap subject workers hovered at $8.86 billion, and the new rule bumps that up to $9.36 billion in year 1, a $502 million jump as more visas flow to pricier talent. Over 5 years, assuming average stays, cumulative wage hikes could hit $2.51 billion yearly, with $858 million in year 1, transferring benefits from low-wage spots to high earners, like swapping an $85,000 newbie for $160,000 expert, pocketing $75,000 extra for seniors. Employers face steeper bills, but DHS sees it as fairer pay, aligning with American standards. Here's where it stings for Indians. You're talking about the powerhouse of H-1B. 71% of FY24 approvals went to Indian nationals, over 283,000 strong, dominating tech where 80% plus are from here. Fresh IIT or engineering grads gunning for entry-level roles at Indian IT giants or US startups, well, your odds crater by nearly 48% for entry level, slamming doors on juniors while seniors snag the wins. Companies might pivot to experienced hires or offshoring tweaks, slowing the talent pipeline that fuels remittances and US innovation. Think fewer young Indians coding in California and more frustration back home. Critics call it a setback for Indian workers, but supporters say that it weeds out exploitation, pushes firms to value skill over volume. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments, and like, share and subscribe to ET Now for more such news and views.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.